Welcome to the fourth lecture of Metrology and Instrumentation. Today we are going to discuss the topic machine vision systems. What is machine vision system? A machine vision system can be defined as a method of simulating the image recognition and analysis capabilities of the human eye and brain with electronic and electromechanical techniques. അതായത് മനുഷ്യസഹജമായ മനുഷ്യൻ്റെ കണ്ണുപയോഗിച്ച് ഒരു ഇമേജിനെ കാണാനും ബ്രെയിൻ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് അതിൻ്റെ ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് മനസ്സിലാക്കാനുള്ള കഴിവിനെ ഇലക്ട്രോണിക് സിസ്റ്റത്തിലോട്ട് സിമുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു സിസ്റ്റം, അതാണ് മെഷീൻ വിഷൻ സിസ്റ്റം എന്നുകൊണ്ട് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. ഇൻ ദ ഹ്യൂമൻ വിഷൻ സിസ്റ്റം, ഐസ് സെൻസ് ദ ഇമേജ് ആൻഡ് ബ്രെയിൻ അനലൈസ് ദ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ് ടേക്ക് action on the basis of analysis. Similarly, in machine vision system, visual sensing of information is done after forming an image of the object, and the information is analyzed to make a useful decision about its content. Thus, a machine vision system needs both visual sensing and interpretive capabilities. Machine vision is commonly used for industrial systems that automatically processes the image from cameras. Then, on the basis of this image evaluation, those systems perform the following automated tasks. That is, removal of defective products from manufacturing process, alerting the operation of machine to avoid mismatches in production, counting the number of manufactured products, adjusting the setting of the lines, etc. ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് നമുക്ക് മെഷീൻ വിഷൻ സിസ്റ്റത്തിൻ്റെ ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഏരിയ വരുന്നത്. മെയിനായിട്ട് ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയൽ ആപ്ലിക്കേഷനിൽ ഒരു മാനുഫാക്ചറിങ് പ്രോസസ്സിൽ ഡിഫക്റ്റീവ് പ്രൊഡക്ട്സ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് നമുക്ക് ക്യാമറ വെച്ച് അതിൻ്റെ ഇമേജ് എടുക്കാം. ആ ഇമേജ് ഇൻ്റർപ്രറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് അത് ഡിഫക്റ്റീവ് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ആണോ അല്ലെ യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആണോ എന്ന് ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. അതിൻ്റെ ബേസിൽ നമുക്ക് ആ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റിനെ വേണമെങ്കിൽ റിജക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. അതായത് ഒരു പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻ പ്രോസസ്സിൻ്റെ സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ്ങിൽ തന്നെ എവിടെയെങ്കിലും ഡിഫക്റ്റീവ്നെസ് വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ നമുക്കതിനെ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ദെൻ മെഷീൻ വിഷൻ സിസ്റ്റം ക്യാൻ ഓൾസോ പെർഫോം ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവ് മെഷർമെൻറ്റ് സച്ച് എസ് ഡിറ്റർമൈനിങ് സ്പാർക്ക് പ്ലഗ് ഗ്യാപ്പ് ഓഫ് എൻ IC engine or providing location information that guides a robot to align parts in a manufacturing process. റോബോട്ടിന് ഒരു അസംബ്ലിയിലുള്ള സിസ്റ്റത്തിലുള്ള ഒരു റോബോട്ടിന് ഒരു പർട്ടിക്കുലർ കമ്പോണൻറ്റ് എവിടെ ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്യണം എന്ന് കാണിച്ചു കൊടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി മെഷീൻ വിഷൻ സിസ്റ്റത്തിന് സാധിക്കുന്നതാണ്. ദെൻ മെഷീൻ വിഷൻ സിസ്റ്റം ആർ മെയിൻലി യൂസ്ഡ് ഇൻ ഏരിയാസ് ഓഫ് quality control in manufacturing, automation of assembly lines, and in security systems for identification of persons and vehicles. We will discuss the application area of machine vision system in the last sessions in detail. The goal of machine vision system is to create a model of real world from images. Then what are the main elements of a machine vision system? The major elements of machine vision system are a light source, an image sensor, image digitizer, feature extractor and data compactor, system control computer, output and peripheral devices. These are the major components of a machine vision system. First one, a light source. Lighting is one of the key element for successful machine vision system result. It has great impact on system repeatability, reliability and accuracy. Machine vision system create images by analyzing the reflected light from an object, not by analyzing the object directly itself. A lighting technique involves light source and its placement with respect to the part and camera. Lighting source and projection should be carefully chosen such that it highlights the key features of the object. It gives sharp contrast and details of the image. The second element is image sensor. In image sensor, the lens captures the image and delivers it to the image sensor in the camera. The lens used determine the quality and resolution of the captured image. Most machine vision system cameras offer two main types of lenses, that is interchangeable lenses and fixed lenses. The right combination of lens and extension will acquire the best possible images. Image sensor Image sensors typically use a vision TV camera or a charge coupled device CCD or complementary metal oxide semiconductor CMOS technologies to convert light to electrical signals. TV camera has greater resolution. The higher the resolution, the more details about an image and more accurate measurements will be obtained. Next component is image digitizer. The image digitizer has 6 to 8 bit analog to digital converter to store the digitized image obtained from a video camera in the main memory. Some type of vision system uses an analog computer and a computer controlled threshold to convert the video information into a binary image rather than 6 to 8 bit grayscale image. Some special systems use a grayscale image to convert a binary scale image before image processing commences. The binary images are much simple and facilitate high speed processing. However, grayscale images contain more picture information and it must be used for complex images with a precise variation of gray level across the image. Next component is feature extractor and data compactor. The feature extractor and data compactor employs a high-speed array processor to provide high-speed processing of the input image data. Pattern recognition algorithms are employed to generate simple feature data set. Next component is system control computer. The system control computer communicates with the operator and it makes the decisions about part being inspected. These decisions are usually based on some simple operations applied to the feature dataset representing the original image. The last one is output and peripheral devices. The output and peripheral devices operate under the control of system control computer. The output enables the vision system to either control a process or provide a caution and orientation information to a robot, etc. This block diagram represents the whole machine vision system itself and the various components. Then, steps involved in machine vision system. The machine vision process involves the following four basic steps. They are image information, image processing, image analysis, and image interpretation. These are the four steps involved in machine vision process. We can discuss one by one. First one, image formation. For the formation of image, a suitable light source is required. Light consists of incandescent light, fluorescent tube, fiber optic bundle, arc lamp or strobe light. The laser beam is used for triangulation system for measuring the distance. A polarized or ultraviolet light is used to reduce glare or increase contrast. It is important that the light source is correctly placed since it influences the contrast of the image. Therefore, the selection of proper illumination technique is more important. Different lighting techniques are used in image formation. The techniques are shown in the next slide. The image sensors collect light from the scene through a lens and using a photosensitive target converts it into an electronic signal. The image sensors generate signals representing scans of the entire image. The next slide shows the various lighting techniques. There are different type lighting techniques such as backlighting, axial diffuse lighting, structured lighting, dark field illumination lighting, bright field illumination lighting, diffused dome lighting, etc. Then the second step, image processing. The series of voltage levels are available on detectors which are representing light intensities over the area of the image. These voltage levels need processing for presentation to the microcomputer in a format suitable for analysis. A camera may typically form an image 30 times per second intervals. At each time interval, the entire image has to be captured and frozen for processing by an image processor. An analog to digital converter is used to convert the analog voltage of each detector into digital value. On the other hand, a grayscale system assigns up to 256 different values depending on intensity of each pixel. Thus, in addition to black and white, many different shades of gray can be distinguished. Thus, it permits the comparison of objects on the basis of surface characteristics such as texture, color, orientation, etc. The grayscale system requires huge storage processing capability. Hence, the following techniques are used to reduce the amount of data to be processed. The techniques are windowing and image restoration. Windowing means in this technique is used to concentrate the processing in the desired area of interest and ignoring other non-interested part of the image. For that, an electronic mask is created around a small area of an image to be studied. Thus, only the pixels which are not blocked out will be analyzed by the computer. Hence, we can reduce the amount of data to be stored. The second technique is image restoration. It involves the preparation of an image in more suitable form during the processing stage by removing the degradation suffered. Degradation means blurring of lines, boundaries, poor contrast between image regions, presence of background noise, etc., due to motion of camera or object during image formation. There is poor illumination, poor placement, variation in sensor response, poor contrast on surface, etc. These are the two techniques to reduce the size of the data to be stored. Then the third step is image analysis. Digital image of the object formed is analyzed in the central processing unit of the system to draw conclusions and make decisions. The analysis is done by describing the measuring properties of several image features which may belong to either regions of the image or the image as a whole. A process of image interpretation starts with the analysis of simple features and then more complicated features are added to define it completely. Analysis is carried out for describing the position of the object, its geometrical configuration, distribution of light intensity over its visible surface, etc. Then the last step, image interpretation. Image interpretation involves the identification of an object based on recognition of its image. Various conclusions are drawn by comparing the results of analysis with a pre-stored set of standard criteria. The complex image can be interpreted by use of grayscale analysis, interpretation technique, and by the use of various algorithms. In actual practice, several known parts are presented to the machine for analysis. The part features are stored and updated as each part is presented until the machine is familiar with the part. Then the actual parts are studied by comparing with this stored model of a standard part. അതായത് ആദ്യം മെഷീൻ വിഷൻ സിസ്റ്റത്തിനെ നോൺ ഡാറ്റ സ്റ്റോർ ചെയ്ത് അതിനെ പഠിപ്പിക്കേണ്ടതുണ്ട്. എത്തരത്തിലാണ് നമ്മൾ അനലൈസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നോൺ പ്രൊഡക്ട്സിൻ്റെ പല ഇമേജും അതിനെ ട്രെയിൻ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. ദെൻ അതിനുശേഷമാണ് നമ്മൾ മെഷീൻ വിഷൻ സിസ്റ്റം യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് പ്രോസസ്സ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഒരു ഇമേജ് എടുക്കുന്നു, ആ ഇമേജിനെ നോൺ ഡാറ്റയായിട്ട് കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്നു. അത് ഇപ്പം ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ മാനുഫാക്ചറിങ് ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയിൽ അതൊരു ഡിഫക്റ്റീവ് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ആണോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ യൂസ്ഫുൾ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ആണോ എന്നൊക്കെ ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി ഇത്തരത്തിലാണ് ഇമേജ് ഇൻ്റർപ്രിട്ടേഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Then types of machine vision characterization systems. Generally, two basic vision characterization system is used. They are edge finders and second correlators. Edge finders look for transitions and from black to white, white to black, or from gray to non-gray level. Correlation system are template machine systems. A complex image is stored in memory and correlator searches the scene for a match to the image stored in the memory. Then types of machine vision systems. Mainly there are three types of machine vision system. They are one-dimensional system, two-dimensional system, and 3D system. 1D, 2D, and 3D systems. 1D vision system, which analyze a digital one line at a time instead of looking at a whole picture at once. It is similar to line scanning system used in photocopy machine or laser scanner. This technique commonly detects and classifies defects on materials manufactured in a continuous process such as paper, metals, plastics, and other non-woven sheet or roll goods. 2D vision system. Most common inspection cameras perform area scans that involves capturing 2D snapshots in various resolutions. Another type of 2D machine vision system uses the line scan, which build a 2D image line by line. In certain application, line scan system have the specific advantages over area scan system. For example, inspecting round or cylindrical parts may require multiple area scans cameras to cover the entire part surface. However, rotating the part in front of a single line scan camera, it captures the entire surface by unwrapping the image. Then 3D vision system. 3D machine vision system typically comprise multiple cameras or one or more laser displacement sensors. Multi-camera 3D vision in robotic guidance applications provide the robot with a part orientation information. These systems involve multiple camera mounted at different locations and triangulation on an objective position in 3D space. These are the three types of machine vision system: 1D, 2D, and 3D systems. Then functions of machine vision system. Machine vision systems are used for performing the following four functions: locate, measure, inspect, and identify. Locate means in locating applications, the purpose of vision system is to find the object and report its position and orientation. The second function, measure. In measurement application, the purpose of vision system is to measure the physical dimension of the body. For example, physical dimensions are distances, diameter, curvature, area, height, and volume, etc. Then third one, inspect. In inspection application, the purpose of vision system is to validate certain feature. For example, presence or absence of a correct label on a bottle, screws in an assembly, etc. In the last function, identify. In an identification application, the vision system reads various codes and alphanumerical characters such as barcode, date of expiry, etc. Then, application of machine vision system. There are different applications. They are measurement of dimensions and tolerance. A common application of machine vision system is the measurement of dimensions of manufactured parts and check against required dimension with regard to permitted tolerance. The second application is guidance and control. Machine vision systems are used to provide a sensor feedback for real-time guidance and control ranging from visual serving of industrial robots and weld seam tracking, etc. The third application is identification of surface defects. It is possible to detect mechanical and other damage of the surface manufactured products. Then flatness measurement. It is possible to detect a wide range of defects from ripples on a plate to cracks. Flatness measurement can be generalized to detect deviation of product from required shape in the manufacturing of steel rails, bottles, etc. Then next one, mechanical process checking. Machine vision system can detect incorrect mechanical processing of products, that is defects caused by shearing, molding imperfections, etc. Then recognition of parts before assembly. Machine vision system is able to correctly identify the parts on automatic lines of assembly and prior to assembly to check the part itself for the correct position and orientation. Then assembling application. That is, it is possible to automatically determine whether the manufactured product includes all required parts. Then another application is inspection of printed circuit boards. That is, camera in the production process of printed circuit boards can be used to detect and discard plates fitted with broken links and poorly drilled holes. Next application is text recognition. By reading text with a camera, it is possible to recognize the correct labeling of a product. And next application is license plate recognition. Machine vision system can automatically identify car by reading their license plate numbers. It can be used to register all cars passing through a company's gateway, register all car entering zones with limited access, automatically control the gate, etc. These are the major application area of machine vision system. Then advantages of machine vision system. They are automation of quality monitoring. Machine vision system allow for automated and reliable defective product identification. And second advantage, increased efficiency and saving in production. That is, early detection of defected products allows the discarding of this product from production before it is further processed or assembled with additional components. പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻ പ്രോസസ്സ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പ്രോസസ്സ് നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ ഡിഫക്റ്റീവ് പ്രൊഡക്ട്സ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യാനും അതിനെ അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ ഡിസ്കാർഡ് ചെയ്യാനും പറ്റും. അത് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻ പ്രോസസ്സ് വരെ വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. ദെൻ automatic connection with other systems. A machine vision system can automatically communicate with other systems. It automatically discard defective pieces from production or stop the line in case of repetitive error, communicate with the production control system and react to mismatches in production. Then advantages over human evaluation. The system is more accurate and reliable than a human eye. Machine vision system in place of human inspectors are able to perform 100% online inspection of parts at high speeds, which is particularly in unpleasant environments. Human കംഫർട്ടബിൾ അല്ലാത്ത എൻവയോൺമെൻറ്റിൽ തന്നെ മെഷീൻ വിഷൻ സിസ്റ്റം യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഇവാലുവേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. Then statistical comparison and evaluation. The data achieved by system can be used for creation of statistical reports helping to identify cause of defects and providing the assistance with the adoption of measures to prevent their occurrence. Then contactless measurement. No intervention in the product is required for evaluation. The camera scans products from a distance and it does not have to come in contact with it. സോഫ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രൊഡക്ട്സ് ഒക്കെ മെഷർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഡയറക്റ്റ് കോൺടാക്റ്റ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അതിന് ഡിഫക്ട്സ് ഉണ്ടാവാൻ ഉള്ള ചാൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. അത് അവോയ്ഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് വിത്തൗട്ട് കോൺടാക്റ്റ് വി ക്യാൻ മെഷർ ദാറ്റ് പാർട്ട് യൂസിങ് മെഷീൻ വിഷൻ സിസ്റ്റംസ്. These are the main advantages of machine vision system. Thank you.